Sure, abuti honestly.
I've just left the funeral of my dear friend, General Andre Lincoln. It's a sad moment. I'll never speak to him again. I'll never get advice from him again. I won't hear that soft laugh again. Yo, he always insisted that I call him Andre. I could never do it. It was always General. That's what he was. He was a general. He was a leader. He was someone that he had gepraat. He's not anything like me. Didn't swear much also. Told me about the day when he almost booed JP. I was disappointed. Um, bro, rest well, brother. And now, Dr. Busak, Dr. Alan Busak, weet jy, groot man, sorry vir dit sê, yo, groot man, you are a legend. You are, sure, boss. People think I can speak. You must go listen to Busak. I had to wipe away a tear and I stopped crying at funerals long ago. This was something else. I'm having the kakker's birthday. I had in a while. Yo, but anyway, it's what it is. It's what it is. Sy my nog nie selamat gesê het, die aanvriend my. And I got like 2,000 birthday wishes, not a single e-wallet. Julle is nie lekker mense nie, man. Gaan. Kiki, I put my phone on this morning and I'm tagged in a Patriotic Alliance post. And I see Liam Jacobs has joined the PA. Oh, laat ek julle nou een ding sê. Julle wat die DA is, julle nog nie geleer nie. Moenie fok met die brein net sit nie. Julle skelms. Moenie fok met die brein. You know what? Kate McKenzie, you are one sly. Congratulations, brah. Bring jou mense huis toe. Hy is jou mense, hy is nie my mense nie. He doesn't support Palestine. He can't be one of us. Bring your mense huis toe. Guys, you know, we also are going to announce a big DA player soon. He doesn't have Liam's TikTok following, but he's a lot more senior. He's coming home. He's coming home. You see, die DA is mos gewoon te ons mense koop, man. Hy announce maar die nuwe members sommer in council. Jy weet, en yo, Andre Lincoln, I love this shit. Let me tell you this. Be very worried, guys. I see everybody's talking about the need for the NCC and the PA to unite. We've tried. We've tried. I think Gaiten and I are both man enough to accept full responsibility. We just can't find each other, not at the vital points. Some would say small differences, we call it vital points. We can't find each other. But I can assure you, in the interest of the Aboriginal brown child of South Africa, we will work together. We are willing to work together. Always. I think I speak for the PA. I don't have a mandate to speak for the PA, but I think I speak for the PA as well. We will work together. The dream of one colored party, maybe it means Gaiten and I must both leave. So maybe better leaders need to step up so that unification can happen. But we also mustn't lie to ourselves, man. Our communities are fractured. Maybe two parties is what we need at the moment. Differences of opinion is always going to be there. I don't like this stance on land expropriation. I don't. I'm not criticizing him. I'm telling you my honest feeling. I don't like this stance on the Palestinian issue. I don't. And I'm sure there's things about NCC that they also don't agree with, and that's totally okay. I blame my brain, bro. As hy reg is, hy gaan kom defend. When they come off the gate and Fadil Adams will defend him, and this is not even about politics. This is about the simple principle that is a man just like me, formed by the same circumstances I was, went through the same shit I went through, found himself in the same place that I was, just for a hell of a lot longer. You don't understand the fight. You don't understand the sacrifice. You don't understand the tears. You don't understand the pain, no, that people like us have to go through to get our lives back, to make something of our lives, to make something of the people around us, to give more than we should. You don't understand it. You will never understand it. Maar ons mense kwa is toe. Die idee is in sy moord mense, is done, is finished. Finished! Andre Lincoln would have loved this. But we speak soon. We speak soon. Plasnar TV says happy birthday. Stenda, e-wallet. Blossie, congratulations. Like, dit is my birthday. Surprise me. Sy het my nommers in the e-wallet. Guys, I was actually supposed to take my kids and go away, and then I had to be at the funeral. I couldn't skip this. I'm gonna go lay down now. I'm not in a good space. I'm genuinely not in a. Emotionally, I'm hurting. This man meant a whole lot to me. He was more than a friend. So yeah, take care of yourselves. Is rof daar buite. But het gaat nog rover raak. Julle hoe blou varke. Julle gaat, julle gaat sien. You know what's coming next now? JP, you know what's coming. JP, look at me when I talk to you. You know what's coming next. You know you will not enjoy this. You know this will not be over quickly. We're punching back, guys. Hulle moer is vir 400 jaar. Ons laat nou terug and they're not liking it. They're not liking it. They're not liking it to the point where hulle wants to fuck off the Joburg. Awara, sukani. Take it easy. Love you people. From the bottom of my heart, I love you people. You have no idea how much I love you people. We speak soon.
Hey, wat is er met jeurnis, man? Ik wil met jeurnis. Dat die... Hoe zo was zo'n bizar? Hoe net zo, niet bij zijn een bizar. Niet bij zijn een bizar, laat die zo vrij. Ja, dat is fijn. Ja, maar hoe voel ik zo'n mens, man? Patriots, kom op, listen. The midnight train to Georgia. Patriots, wie zet niet op je hart, man? Kom op. Patriots, this is not a long life. You're gonna hear. I'm not gonna talk. Paulina Wiener Abrams said, ons is hier. Michelle van Bellen. Good morning. Oh ja, het is nogal morning. Ik heb al gezegd, wat is morning? Tennis Mac. Goedemiddernacht, press in the entire PA family. Shireen Anderson. Good morning, press and Patriots. Rosalind Sols. Wat leven is tussen? Cynthia Verlander. Selekia van Nieuwenhuizen. Leon Bartman. Ivy Witboy, morgen in die ochtend, Carmen Alexander. It's morning in the morning. Ik had niet lang praten, ik had net gewoon, wat lag je bizar? Ja, laat niet op kaart spelen. Als ik op kaart speel met Peter, is het bizar. Ik is een man van transparency, massacre. Kom op, Patriots, kom op. Kom op. Ik ga je voor dat je live moet zijn. Ja, ik ga je documenten zien. Michel, Felix, weet je wat, dat brengt mij, dan is hij dan, wat is voor zijn iPhone? Ja, die oude iPhone. Oh, dat oudje niet, jongens.
Zo brengen we die Samsung in.
Een C-type, ja. Ik kan hem niet helpen. Hij is nog een bejaarde van.
Ik heb nog niet. Je hebt wat presto weer gegoogeld.
Nee.
Ik nog maar.
Je hebt nog, wat bedoel je?
Ik weet ook nog.
En de man van weggevoerd hebben, andere mensen, I know ons, they were bizar. So they were excited to see me, né? So it's like, goed man, I'm excited for me to see man. So I go like, so I see the one says, let's take a picture. The other one says, no. no, don't take a picture. So I'm feeling a bit like, why would you not want to take a picture with me? You say you like me, I want to take pictures with you guys. And he says, no man, die man weet hoe lyk sy phone, hoe kan hy met jou hoofd? Sy is aan 'n leier van 'n party met hy phone. Ek sê, wat is verkeerd met die phone? Like, nee man, pres man, die man en hy sê ons phone is frietje daai. Ja, dan kan ek net die bar van die la. Hy sê, hy is 'n freestyle. Ja. Patriots, sê daar, jy weet ek begin nie Patriots, ek begin nie die, is 'n baie kort live, julle gaan nou sien. Patriots. Is julle wakker, Patriots? Bel julle mekaar wakker, Patriots? Is julle wakker, patriotte? Ek wil vir julle dankie sê voor ek vergeet, that issue of, what's that boy's name? Oh, Liam. Well, Liam, that issue of that guy, Liam, that you listened to me earlier, before you talk about what I want to speak about. Thank you for listening. Every mother will take him. He will open his eyes one day, Patriots. But thank you for not taking him, and thank you for listening to me, and that meant a lot. Because ons is liefdevolle mense in die PA. Ons is liefdevolle mense.
Maar waar is die liefde van my?
Die liefde vir jou?
Dus kom maar nog hier voor die hele mense nog van my.
Maar die huisens. Dat is een freestyle. Ja, kom sê die mense, ja, hallo, ek mag naar die huisens kijken. Kom sê hallo vir die mense, hallo vir die mense.
Awe, hoe lyk hulle mense, meneer Baizane, in English don't be sad. Ek ken al regtig hoekom ons ons vampires hier so opsit. En 'n groot dis, en dit koud dis, ek kry baie koud. En as die plek mos so groot is, jy voel wind van everywhere. Ek trek uit. Dit is koud hier. Hoor, die is so groot, as jy praat, ek hoor, wat noem hulle eigenlijk, die echo. Hy is so groot, as jy.
Ek kry dan warm op die dag.
Pres was gewoon voor die
Als de mensen die naar buiten is, te brengen, dan kan die straks zo goed als
ik krijg koud zo. Ik voel een wind van die everywhere. Als we een wind van die tafel.
Op die dag kom je zo en zegt, ah die liter, ik zou niet ik worden daar, ik ben niet ik worden daar.
Ah nee. Die Patriots, jullie is wakker, 12 o'clock. Als een roofkikker of zo, koekoe.
Kijk je Patriots, hè? Jullie weten, ik begin niet voor dat je bij denkt en dat is eerste niet. Zo ja, ik zie die mensen wakker, jongen. Patriots, let me just give you the big thing quickly. Number one, I want to tell you first, in this party we are family. The Chinese have a saying when they say when you dig a grave for a man, dig two. And I want to speak to you about something. Yeah, now it's right, I'm there. Bisa, noem me
Geef mijn phone terug.
Wie? Is te zwaar eigenlijk. Kijk hier.
Ik heb nog mijn phone, hè? Mijn rechter hier.
Ja, kijk hier, die wat weet het? The life is not going to be long, people need to sleep. So
You want water?
Please get me just the fridge is there, you go around there.
That's a hype to it.
No way, yeah. Just go get me water, man. So, Patriots, we are family, never forget that. What I want to speak to you about is that the reason why I said you must come up 12 o'clock because I've got something to show you, which I didn't want wolf kickers. I checked now, there's no wolf kickers here so far. the ESG and send me a message on my other phone now that they also check. They don't see the roof cakers because this is crucially important. I'm sure. Zo'n bizar. Je hebt een bizar over dwal. The water is just here, please give me 30 seconds, né? 30 seconds. I just want to get water because it's important what I'm going to tell you now. 30 seconds, I promise. Just 30 seconds, I'm just going to get water. And check based on pizza. Pizza probably got lost. And then I'm just going to get water. Because what I tell you now, I'm too thirsty. I can't just say it. It is the biggest thing. I'm going to say it and I'm going to sleep. You have to know this. Let me just get water, okay? Come on, Patriots! Come on! Kom op. As die mensen nog wakker razen. As die mensen nog wakker razen.
Nothing. Sure, I would do honestly.